welcome back to my channel. Hi, I'm Lexi. If you've never been here, please subscribe down below to join my wonderful channel, because I show a whole bunch of cool like business stuff, business tips, all that stuff. I'm gonna be coming out with a whole bunch of content, you guys. Trust me, I am back and I'm better than ever, okay? But I haven't been on camera in a long time, so I'm a little nervous, you know. A little nervous, even though you guys aren't see me in person. I still get a little nervous because I haven't done it in a long time. But yes, I'm gonna be showing you how to make these stickers up here. I will put a little picture up here. I'm gonna be showing you how to make these stickers right here. They are, I don't know, they're really good to like put in like packages with your orders. Like if you're sending out a package, you can stick like 2 or 3 stickers with it. I think it's a really nice like free thing that people would get just from ordering from you. And you know, I just think it makes packaging look very nice, and I think that's why I'm making this video, because I want to add it myself. I've never done this before, so I am excited to see how how these stickers turn out and everything. I have 2 stickers that I did design myself on my Procreate app, which I should start showing some videos on how I do that and everything. Just if you would like to see that, please drop a comment below. But yeah, pretty much this is what you need. These 2 things. I got matte sticker vinyl paper because that's what I use when I do sell like sticker labels, which I could put a picture up here of like what I do, you know, with this. They turned out really good, and like the matte is so much more like waterproof than the glossy. Like I could drop like 2 or 3 things of water on this and it would still not smear, where the glossy would. Definitely. I still have not gotten the trick of the glossy, so I don't even mess with it. But anyways, I take this is self-laminating sheets. Pretty much I got this on Amazon. Price for both of these was probably like near 25 bucks or something, but I'm telling you, you could probably do a whole bunch of orders or a whole bunch of stickers with this. Like you could probably at least get 100 stickers out of it, if not way more. So yeah, that's what you need. And I also use my Cricut machine behind here. You don't technically need a Cricut machine, but I am cutting my stickers with these, and don't mind my ugly 2 fingers right here. I just noticed that, ew. But these 2 fell off, of course. But anyways, so yes, I'm using my Cricut machine. You could cut these out by hand. It might be a little bit trickier, but for all my Cricut users, you're gonna love this. It's super easy. It's another thing you could probably sell on your website and your Etsy for other businesses or whatever. So however you want to use this, use it to your advantage. But yeah, guys, let's jump into this video. Okay, so I'm just gonna show like one of these pictures I get off of Google. I'm going to take this, and you know what, I'm gonna make this smaller and put it on my home screen. As you can tell, I do this a lot. I put a lot of images on my home screen because it's filled. But anyways, once I do that, I am going to open up my Cricut Design Space, which I already have open. And I'm going to upload that image along with 2 other photos that I have, that I made myself. So I'm just gonna upload it. I deleted the background besides the white, because I want the white because it makes it look more professional in my look. And then we're gonna do print and cut. And then once I do that, I am going to, didn't want to do that. Hey guys, did I mean to do that? So I'm gonna hit upload, and I'm going to take these images. Sorry guys, I have so many windows open, it's like blah. But here's one of the pictures that I made myself on my Procreate app. I made this image. It has little white around it as well, which that's what I wanted because I just love that look. So anyways, I'm gonna print and cut that as well. And then I'm gonna upload the 3rd photo as well. Hit upload image. I'm just dragging it. Ooh, it might not let me because it's a HPIC, which I don't know why. Let's see. Anyways, I'm just gonna do them 2 photos actually, because this is not gonna work because it's saved as a HEIC, not a PNG, which I don't know why I did that. But anyways, so I'm just going to take these 2 images. I'm going to insert them And I'm not sure how big I'm gonna make them. I'm probably gonna make them about 2 inches, 1.5 inches, depending on how it looks on here. So I am going to do that. Uh-oh. So that's about 2. I like that size, that's fine. And this one will make like 2 as well. So we're gonna do that, and then I'm gonna hit make it. And I'm gonna make about, let's do like 5 or 6 copies. Let's do like 7. See if it all fits. Nope, we'll do 6. So bam, I'm gonna do that, hit continue. Send to printer. And I'm gonna keep the ad bleed because I'm gonna cut it out with my Cricut machine. So I'm gonna hit print. Okay, this is where it kind of gets tricky. It's not too tricky. I'm gonna take the self-laminating sheets here. I'm gonna take one. And all I'm gonna do is kind of line it up like this and see where I should cut it at. I mean, you could use a marker. I'm gonna see if this one works. It's probably dried out, but hey, it's worth a shot. You don't want it to go over that black line. Just so when you put this on the, like, in the Cricut, it'll still cut it. So I'm just cutting it where I made them little lines. And then once I'm done cutting this, I'm just gonna make sure it won't cover it. Yeah, we're gonna cut this a little better on this side. Okay, let's see. You guys see how it's not going over this line here? Let me try and hold it up better. You see that? You don't want this clear to go over the black line, because when the Cricut reads it, you still don't want that to kind of interfere with the black line, because that's how it makes its decision to cut it. So right here, good thing I don't have nails on, you're just gonna peel off the non-sticky side. And it's still hard without nails. There it goes. The non-sticky part is very light. See? And then you're going to press this carefully onto the paper. Try not to get bubbles. And then you're just gonna press it like that. Ooh, these are gonna look so cute, you guys. I'm so excited. You can always take your little thing to make sure there's no lines or no bubbles. And then you're going to place it onto your mat here. And then just insert it into here. And then once you do that, I'm going to set my machine. I'm not for sure on this yet. I'm just gonna do cardstock, like glitter cardstock. Just so it cuts, I want it to cut through it. And then I'm gonna hit go. Don't mind my hair, you guys. I shed like a dog. Literally, it's like everywhere in my house. So yeah, right now it's just configuring like the lines and everything where it's gonna cut it at. See, that's why you don't want to cover that black line, because if that's on it, it's not really gonna be able to read it. I'm so excited. These are gonna be so cute. So if anybody ever needs stickers for their business or wants me to design them for it, I designed the Black Lives Matter on my own. I made that myself on my Procreate app, which I can make a video showing that if you guys would like. But yeah, if you need any, like I can even make something like this, like anything, like it can be your business colors as well, like match your, you know, your whole scheme. So yeah, just putting that out there. I'll have everything on my Etsy, which I should have it listed in the description box below. Okay, for the final review. Oh, I hope it cut through it, you guys. Oh, it did. I was nervous it wasn't going to cut all the way through, so then you could just have it like that. Okay. Look at those. I'm so excited. They're so cute. Which I don't have my scrapey thing. So I'm probably just going to do this. Like, look at these. Oh my god. Those turned out so good. What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? Oh my gosh. I'm excited. They look so good. I'm probably more excited than you guys, but I mean, look at it. Isn't that so easy to do? Like, you could put any type of sticker in your packages, or you can just have people order these as well. You know, a lot of people like laptop stickers. I'm definitely gonna put these on my laptop because because girl, these are so cute. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. And yeah, you could do any design, like any design you want, anything off of Google. See, the thing is, maybe I'll make like a video showing how to put like the white background. You see how I did the white outer line around this? Maybe I'll show a video on how I did that. I did that with my Procreate app. But yeah, look at them. Well, guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't mind the mess behind me. But yeah, aren't they so cute? I'm in love. They turned out so good. Like, wow. I've never done these, like, myself. So I was learning as I was showing you. But they're really easy. I didn't even have to look anything up or nothing. So yeah, I am, as you can tell, I'm in love with them. But yeah, I definitely will be putting these in my packages. So if you like this video, please give me a fat thumbs up. Please, 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 with my ugly thumb. Fat thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Please do. And please comment some video ideas down like below. Like, I definitely am open to anything and everything. Like, even if you don't, like, even if I've never like done it myself, I am willing to learn it to show, because I love learning new things with my Cricut. Because like, I've had my Cricut for like 2 years and I'm still learning like things that I can make with it. Like, I knew I could make these, just like I never did it. And I'm so glad I did it, because girl, this is cute. But yeah, guys, so don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, like I said. And yeah, thanks for watching.